In environments handling electronic components, effective static control is essential. Custom anti-static flooring significantly influences performance, with thickness playing a key role. Thicker ESD flooring also offer greater durability, resisting wear and extending the flooring's lifespan. These ESD tiles can reduce the need for frequent replacements and maintenance, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Additionally, increased thickness offers better cushioning, reducing fatigue for workers and minimizing slip hazards. Different industries have unique requirements for flooring thickness. For electronics manufacturing, a moderate thickness balances conductivity and durability, while pharmaceuticals may need thicker options to withstand harsh cleaning agents. Heavy industrial applications benefit from thicker flooring to handle loads and impacts effectively. Choosing the right thickness for anti-static flooring is crucial for optimal protection. Custom solutions can enhance safety and efficiency, tailored to specific industry needs. Thanks for your time. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below.